Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm Ryan. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. You guys are doing absolutely fantastic. In this video, I'm going to give you one tip on how to remove this fluff from Alcantara seats. This is an old seat. It's pretty worn out, but I'm going to show you how to remove it. Very easy. We're just going to use a lint remover, a fluff remover. I don't know how you call this. You can get this on Amazon for 5 quid, 10 quid, something like that. So let's try. I'm not responsible if you guys damage your seats. I'm just going to show you if this works or not. So let's get into it. Normally the lint removers, they have this thing to regulate the depth of the fluff, like so. Let's just remove this, and fingers crossed this will work. Let's just zoom in a little bit. You can see all this fluff there. I've seen someone use a sandpaper, but I don't think we need that, so let's just try. Let's do half and half to see how it goes. So far, remove this already, and the seat on this area looks much better in my opinion. Of course, you need to vacuum this first and clean it properly. Let's just do this bit here. Try to be gentle when you do this. There's not too much danger in my opinion, because this will rotate only if it goes in. It can damage your seats. Yeah, I think it looks much better. Let's see a picture from the before and after. Did the job quite well. So there you go, guys. You can get one of these for $10. I don't know how much this will cost on Amazon or something like that, but it's pretty cheap. Uses 2 AA batteries. And just because we can, we're going to do this part of the seat. It's pretty worn out, this part. Let's just try it. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Do it carefully, don't damage your seat. I am not responsible for that. If you enjoyed the video, click the like button, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for your support. Like always, guys, thank you very much for watching, and hope I can see you all in the next one. Bye.